Now let us study the hormones secreted by adenohypophysis. The first hormone is called as the growth hormone. It is also called as somatotropic hormone, that is STH. How does it promote growth? By increasing protein synthesis and by promoting cell division in the body. If this is produced less in our body during childhood, that is if there is hyposecretion in childhood, that will lead to dwarfism. That is our height will not grow say beyond 3 to 4 feet, and what will happen? But the brain development will be proper. If there is hypersecretion, that means if it is produced more in amount during childhood, that will lead to gigantism. Gigantism means the height will become more than 7 feet. And if there is hypersecretion during adulthood, then what will happen? Only certain bones of our body will elongate, others will not elongate. For example, bones of nose, lower jaw, hands, vertebral column, these will elongate, others will not elongate. So this disproportionate growth of bones is called as acromegaly. A second hormone that is secreted by adenohypophysis is thyroid stimulating hormone. As you know, all hormones are messengers. So this hormone will be sending the message to the thyroid gland to secrete thyroxine. Third hormone that is secreted by adenohypophysis is adrenocorticotropic hormone. This hormone will give message to the cortex of adrenal gland to secrete its hormone. Which are the hormones secreted by adrenal cortex? Mineralocorticoids and glucocorticoids. There are two gonadotropins secreted by adenohypophysis. Gonadotropins means hormones which are acting on gonads. The first one is follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. In females, it will lead to development of follicles in the ovaries, while in males it will help in development of seminiferous tubules. Another second gonadotropin is luteinizing hormone. In females, we have studied in menstrual cycle. In females, on the 14th day, there is a surge of LH in the blood. This will lead to ovulation, means release of egg ovum from the Graafian follicle. This same hormone is called as interstitial cell stimulating hormone in case of males. Okay, ICSH. And in males, what does it do? It will tell the testes, Leydig cells of testes, to secrete testosterone. Okay, so this fifth hormone is called by different names in females and males. In females, it is called as luteinizing hormones. In males, it is called as interstitial cell stimulating hormone.